In the fast-paced digital marketing world today, Adstorm Elite is the secret weapon top performers use to dominate. This AI-powered platform doesn't just optimize ads, it predicts consumer behavior with uncanny accuracy, transforming how businesses connect with customers. While competitors guess, Adstorm Elite users execute hyper-targeted campaigns that convert at rates that seem impossible, achieving ROI that leaves traditional methods in the dust. At its core, Adstorm Elite is a marketing intelligence powerhouse. Its advanced neural network analyzes millions of data points in real time, identifying patterns and opportunities before they become obvious. The platform's predictive capabilities mean your campaigns are always one step ahead, targeting the right audience with the right message at the perfect moment. And with continuous machine learning, it gets smarter with every interaction, refining its optimizations daily. This isn't about keeping up with trends, it's about setting them. The results are staggering. Users report 250 to 400% increases in conversion rates within 30 days. Customer acquisition costs plummet as the AI eliminates wasteful spending automatically. Adstorm Elite's omnichannel integration ensures consistent messaging across all platforms, creating seamless brand experiences that build trust and drive sales. Its advanced attribution modeling finally reveals which marketing efforts truly impact your bottom line. And with an intuitive dashboard, you get all this power without needing a data science degree. What truly sets Adstorm Elite apart is its accessibility. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a marketing director at a Fortune 500 company, the platform puts enterprise-level capabilities at your fingertips. Launch sophisticated campaigns in minutes, not weeks. The intelligent automation handles complex analysis and optimization, freeing you to focus on strategy. It's like having a team of experts working around the clock, but without the overhead. Industry leaders are already seeing remarkable results. E-commerce brands have tripled their conversion rates. SaaS companies have reduced acquisition costs by 60% while increasing lead volume. These aren't exceptions. They're the norm for Adstorm Elite users. In a landscape where every click counts, this platform gives you the edge to thrive, not just survive. The future of advertising is here, and it's more powerful than ever before. Adstorm Elite represents a fundamental shift in digital marketing, offering early adopters a competitive advantage that could take years to match. Don't just watch the revolution, lead it. Your customers are searching. Your competitors are investing. The question is, are you ready to dominate? The time to transform your marketing is now.